What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the show. I'm Chanlyn, and today we got some crazy things to unbox, so stay tuned. Marshall, today it's kind of a crazy day. It's sort of a new year for me. It's a new year for you too. I thought you'd say that. Well, listen, we have a couple things to unbox. Starting with this guy, I'm gonna get into it. I'm just gonna get into it. Yeah, you guys can't see this. This is not for the show. This was something else. Yeah, no, this was not for the show. This wasn't either. This wasn't either. This was something for me. This wasn't for the show, Marshall. This is not for the show. This was something private. The next bag that we have here, guys, I'm just gonna go for it. And this is actually a super Magsafe series by Quarble. There's a lot here, Marshall. The Super Mag Ring series goes like this. Let me just, oh man. There she goes. Oh, and then you're gonna wanna, you're sort of gonna wanna get in here. Okay, this we don't need. We don't need that. Here is sort of what we're dealing with now. If you could tell, it's sort of a magnet. Oh my gosh, how unbelievably clever this is. I believe what we have here is a sticky surface, and this can go anywhere you want. This could sort of, just sort of go anywhere you want. Anywhere. It's a sticky surface, so it can sort of adhere to any surface as long as it's flat. I'm assuming. So this is great. This is gonna be something I use. I'll probably put it in my shower. You don't think? I can see it. Marshall's saying it's a crazy thought. Putting this in my shower and then sort of going for the whole deal by sort of magnetizing my new Magsafe phone. We're actually recording on the new phone. Shout outs to Apple, of course. Shout outs to Macintosh and Gala. Red Gala, Pink Lady. This, on the other hand, everyone, this is the longest extension cord I believe that one could have legally. I'm pretty sure this is the legal limit to how long your extension cables can be. And in here, I'm not sure you knew, but there's two. There's two extension cables, and these are nice because they're sort of, there's three three-prong outlets. I believe these are AC, and these ones are DC, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna have to fact check that one, Marshall. We got another thing to share. This is a dog treat. Not for you. Who are you? The last thing we have here is in a big box. So what I'm gonna do is just sort of go for it. And I'm going for it here. And as you can see, I've sort of managed to get inside the box. There it is, and then, okay. You never know what to expect with these guys. Marshall, don't get any crazy ideas. These are, you're not gonna get near these. No, these are for later. And oh my God, there's a series of bowls. These are, oh man, these are stunning, I agree. These are just beautiful. Hold on, there's more. Before we get to the bowls, there's this. This is not for the show! It was a personal thing. And then this is another Magsafe product. We don't have to get to this because these are the bowls. And now I'm just throwing stuff I recognize. So the bowls here, as you can see, they're super loud. They're sort of got that, it's classic. It's that classic crisp. It's just so classic. This is the kind of stuff that gets Chanlyn riled up, I gotta say. I gotta say it. Oh! That's a whole nother topic. These bowls are quite incredible. They're, oh my God, they even, I should have known they come apart. So one, and then two is a different color. Three, sort of a clay teal. sort of like a peach olive, sort of like a. And then these guys these are gonna be for cereal, Marshall. And you can have anyone you want. You can have first dibs on color. I don't have a huge preference on what color. Yeah, I just don't want this one. This is the one I don't. Can you have this one, Marshall? This one I don't. Is it cream? Is it sort of an oatmeal? Or sort of like a lavender oat? This one's for you, Marshall. That's been the show. This was like so unbelievably exciting. We got, again, just to review, we got the corbel. This sort of came with instructions, and as you can see, it's done a great job of explaining to us what we're gonna have to do here. And sort of, if you can look here, and we're just not getting it to focus, Marshall. I think we're having some technical difficulties, but as you can see, it came with an instruction guide. This was the corbel. It seems like it's a good one. I think this is good. I think this will be something good for the new iPhone, for the Magsafe. Make sure you have the Magsafe iPhone before committing there. And then these extension cables, essentially, they were brought to you by K-Sonic. As you can see, K-Sonic is a great, come on! A great brand. Marshall, we're just not able to sort of pull focus today, but the K-Sonics, 12 feet, there's 2 of them. They're for indoor use. These were awesome. Lastly, the other thing we reviewed, the other item that we reviewed was these bowls. And these bowls are just so awesome. They're unbelievable. But I just gotta tell ya, this blue is it's magical. It's good. It's so good. They just sort of nailed the color on here, and this is not just my bias because I love bowls and I love blue bowls. That's sort of been my thing. I always have blue bowls. It's sort of been a thing I've had for a long time, but I have blue bowls constantly. And this one, I have to say, this one is just a good one. This one's good. This one's mine, Marshall. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Chanlyn, and I'm just so grateful for sort of the movement we've started and kind of building a community together. It's been great getting to know everybody, including myself, because I'm learning a lot here, Marshall. I'm learning a lot about myself, about the gadget industry, about products in general, sort of about how to express myself, essentially. And we're just getting started. We're just getting started. I'm telling you guys, Chanlyn's here to stay. Marshall, I know you're sick of me talking about you, but you have been doing a great job, so that's awesome. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I hope to catch you next time on this channel. I love this. This is sort of what I do. And I just want to, I'm just, good, be good, be good, be good. And when you're using extension cables, just make sure you know what you're doing. You gotta know what you're doing when you're dealing with electricity. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Chanlyn out. No? Just bye? Just